Aloha, I'm Zach from Maui Resort Rentals. Today we'll be exploring the historic ʻIao Valley and Kepa Heritage Gardens. Tucked right in the heart of Maui, less than 30 minutes from the airport, these lush parks are perfect for a stop on your day trip or even just a quick visit before your flight home. Kepa Park is a beautiful blend of nature and culture. There, you'll find gardens, bridges, and pavilions inspired by many communities that helped shape Maui. Have lunch on one of the shaded picnic tables, or take a dip in the cool, refreshing waters of ʻIao Stream. It is the perfect spot to slow down, unwind, and take in the valley's beauty. Just a couple minutes up the road is the ʻIao Valley State Monument. Surrounded by towering cliffs and mountain peaks, this valley is rich with native flora and vibrant greenery. At the center stands the iconic ʻIao Needle, a dramatic 1,200-foot tall rock formation that rises straight from the valley floor. ʻIao Valley features three main trails. There's the Lookout Trail, a short paved stairway leading to a panoramic view of ʻIao Needle and the valley below. There's the Garden Path, a peaceful walk through native plants once used by early Hawaiians. And there's the Stream Path, following the ʻIao Stream, where cool mountain waters offer a perfect refresh on a warm Maui day. Reservations are required for out-of-state visitors. There's both an entry and parking fee, though you can save by using street parking just outside the gates. ʻIao Valley and Kepa Heritage Gardens can easily be explored in 1 to 2 hours. But if you love photography, nature, or simply slowing down, plan to stay a little longer. The valley isn't just a scenic stop, it's a reflection of Maui's living spirit where nature and culture intertwine. To make your reservation, please visit the Hawaii State Parks website linked in the description below. Aloha, and we hope to see you here in ʻIao Valley.